One of the most innovative features of our surgical pillows is the waterproof vinyl cover. Accidents happen. When water gets knocked over on a traditional cough pillow, it can be hard to get it dry. The patient has to stop using the pillow until it dries out or a backup pillow is given. Things get even worse when vomit, mucus, or blood get on the pillow, as they may leak into the inner filling, where they cannot be removed. When this happens, pillows may be discarded to keep the patient from being exposed to harmful bacteria. Our pillows are completely waterproof. Liquid and germs can't penetrate through the cover, so the filling won't be damaged if it gets wet. If water, vomit, mucus, or blood get on the cover, simply get a tissue or cloth, wipe it completely, and spray with disinfectant. It dries quickly, so the patient can continue using it right away. Our waterproof covers make it possible to get the most value out of your surgical pillows, providing patients with a vital tool that can safely be used over and over again without adding extra cost for the hospital.